All right, so got my handy dandy case pocket knife. Let's open up this box. For whatever reason, I feel like Gail Banks doing this. All right, so here is everything that you're gonna get when you buy an S&B filter for your 2011 to 2016. So you've got the ducting and you've got a rubber gasket, which is really important to make sure that we're not only keeping dirt out, but also this is a cold air intake. So the idea of this is to be able to separate the heat from the engine being reintroduced back into the intake. So the gasket's important. Making sure it's sealing properly is also important. And also you've got some baffling over here as well. This is your box, obviously. And inside the box, more packaging. Yeah, buddy. So S&B does a really good job of a nice, firm, and solid blown casing for this. It doesn't deform. It's not cheap. I like their boxes because they always fit correctly. This is of course, their filter. And what you'll see when you get, now you've got a couple of different ones. You can opt for the oiled filter or you can opt for the dry filter. It's important because depending on what your application is, you're gonna wanna select a oiled filter if you're in really dusty environments. I always encourage guys that are out in the field, especially guys that are doing, like, for instance, welding, that pipeline welders, guys like that, farmers, whatever. I prefer an oiled filter. The problem with it is most guys do not take due diligence to make sure that their filters are clean. So that becomes a problem. But for filtration, it is better. These are a lot less maintenance when they are a dry filter. And so this comes with a nice rubber boot and of course, a clamp around that, screw clamp around that, so it fits tight. I can't begin to tell you how many times I see these things that are installed from different manufacturers, and there's gaps and there's leaks. If it's leaking, it's not doing anything. You definitely want to make sure that that this is installed properly on your vehicle. This will outperform the factory filter. It allows for better filtration and it allows for better performance. So this is an upgrade that you can look at for doing for your truck. It's also important to know that it also comes with a provision for the mass airflow sensor that you see in this duct here. If I can find the opening. And it is located in the correct orientation, which is also a key point. Something else to note for the guys that are running an oil filter, do not run too much oil in the oiled filter, because if you do, it can cause problems with your mass airflow sensor and it will cause erroneous readings. So that's something to make sure that you pay attention to when you're doing. So if you're looking for a filter and you're looking for a performance upgrade, check out our website, look for the S&B filters. It's a great addition to your truck. Make sure that you're keeping your investment safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel and our Instagram. We're on Instagram, we're on Facebook. It helps us to be able to create more content and cater to the things that you guys want to see. So if you will, click the button below and we will see you on the next unboxing video. Thanks a lot.